What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So this is my unboxing video for this mini sewing machine I got from Shopee. So this is a voiceover because the audio is very you can't really hear. Let's start. I got this from Shopee for 350 pesos including the shipping fee, but I think I got a discount for the shipping fee because I use a voucher. So just look and try to order for yourself. So opening this, we will get the actual cute sewing machine. At this moment I'll show you what's inside the box, its accessories. So hang on. So this includes the manual. Just read that for your guidance if it's your first time using this. Foot pedal, so you can control it using your foot. Yes, it is the cable that you will use to attach using electricity, and it also have 4 extra bobbins and 1 needle and one that you use to put the needle in the thread in the needle rather. So guys, this is power operated. They already test this before they send both because there's a test subject in here. So here for batteries, just in case. But they will be testing this using brings the presser foot up and down. It's already, they already put some bobbins. This is on and off, high and low speed. This is what you're going to raise.
So for the price of 350, this one I can say it's okay for small projects, because as you can see, the quality doesn't work for thick cloth, so it just works for this types. But you know, it's cute to have this for small projects. So try to buy one for yourself to see its actual